Gold and silver both have started the week on a slight bearish note, and as we discussed in our weekly analysis, that there is still a support seen at $24 and 1954.53 zone. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect a break on the downside and it can continue with the drop from here, or we can expect a bounce back? Which position you should take and at what levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. Next update will be released before the US session to watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver to watch till the end. Right now on the hourly charts you can see there was a support seen here at 1954.55 and here till 1953 levels. This is also the 100 period average. It is giving it a very good support, and you can see this is the 6th consecutive candle. Resistance is seen as 60 and hence a buying entry is only if you see gold trading above 1960. Very clear, because if it trades above 1960 we can again expect 1967-68 and then beyond that 74-75, and then in fact beyond that it can rise if it stays above 1960, then and then only. 1967-68 is still a very good resistance zone. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is still trading bearish. RSI is also looking downward. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, moving averages are trading with divergence and are trading bearish as of now, you can see. And on the 2-hour charts you can see there is a support seen here at 1953-54 again from the 50 period moving average here. The stochastic has dropped. MACD here has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading little bearish, and RSI is also looking down. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts. You can see identical symmetrical position. At the same time, one must note that it has created the base here at 1930-1940 zone, and since then a rise. You can see almost the same highs and now trying to retrace. Now this could be a possible retracement. Why? Because see, a rise and possible drop, and from there it can again continue to move upwards, and hence the zone till towards 1940-1930 is going to remain a very strong support here. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD willing to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI looking downwards, and on the 4-hour similar is the observation on the 4-hour chart. There is a support seen here, and you can see the moving averages are still trading bearish here. You can see all the three stacked up together. Now again starting to diverge. I will recommend you to sell here at only 1950 levels. Below 1950, see 1950 1945 zone, very strong support zone. Then 1940 till 1930 levels, you can see very strong support exists for gold, and hence if you are taking a sell position at 1950 you have to be cautious till towards 1940 levels specifically, which is definitely a very strong support, and below that only further bearishness may prevail. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is bullish, trying to converge here and willing to cross over for a sell. It has not yet crossed over. RSI almost flat. And on the daily chart, see, first thing is a flat bottom at 1940. There were a couple of breakouts here, and at the same time if you just connect these dots you will find lower highs, lower lows trading in this channel, and hence a breakout only above 1970 levels. You will expect that it can give you a further rise, else below that certainly little more bearishness can be expected. Now look at the daily chart. See the swing here. The previous candle was a swing candle. This candle has almost started flat. I will wait for these levels, the lower levels of this previous candle, to be breached out, to be broken, and specifically if you see it trading below 1950, then only take a sell position. Very clear here. Stochastic is also retraced. MACD is at bottom. It is trading with little divergence on a green side, and hence recovery cannot be denied here, because see the MACD is still looking upwards. RSI is almost flat here. Considering this, you can buy here at 1960, but on the upside we have to wait for 1970-75 zone to be breached on the upside. Beyond that bullishness can be confirmed, and on the downside you can sell here at 1950. However, 46.5 and then 41-42 levels, very good support, and below that little more bearishness till towards 36, 38 and 30 levels can be seen. And do not take a position between 1950 and 60 levels. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on 1st of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now also you can be part of my Signals channel. Reach out to again the same contact details for more details on my Signals channel. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. For silver you can find out the base is created at 2380-2390 zone. Hence this is again going to remain very strong support zone. Now what it is trying to do, rise, resistance there at 2420, retracement. Right now moving averages trading slightly bullish but starting to converge. Hence a sell entry only I will recommend at 2380 levels, rather very very far away below, but yes, that is the level below which more bearishness will take it to 2360 and below levels. Till 2380 do not treat it as bearish. Stochastic at bottom, MACD has crossed over trading with divergence, looking bearish, looking down. RSI is also looking down. On the 2-hour chart, see first of all one point one must observe that it has created definitely a base and a bottom 2385 2390 zone. After that higher highs 2320 2420 retracement, it is little resistance, it is trying to retrace. It can retrace till towards 2390 levels and from there again trying to fly. If it is bullish then and then only else, any draw below 2380 should be taken up seriously. The stochastic dropped here, the MACD willing to converge crossover for a sell. RSI looking downwards here. On the 3 hour, similar is the observation. Rise, retracement. I will definitely watch out till 2380. Should not be treated as bearish till then, because see the moving averages are still trading with divergence and the prices diverge from the moving average, and hence a move till towards 2390, 85, 80 can be expected, but only bearishness is if you see it trading below 2380. Stochastic dropped. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI almost flat but trading with slight bearish bias. On the 4-hour charts also similar is the observation. But one point to remember, see the rise there, retracement, it is still to be treated as retracement only, not a reversal. Stochastic have dropped, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI is also looking downwards. And on the daily, now one point to note on the daily chart, see the resistance there seen there from the top of this channel is strong. At the same time you can find out higher lows here, hence that is why I say till 2380 should not be treated as bear, and if it drops below 2380, remember every 20 cents there is a support 2360 40 20 till 2340, very good support exists, and if it drops below 2320 then should be treated as further bearish. Now also on the daily chart, see the complete movement here may remain restricted between this channel, and hence 2380 should not be breached, and if and only if it trades below 2380 should be treated as bearish, else retracing here it can bounce back again. On the upside, a buy entry is about 2420, beyond which you can stay long. Stochastic is rising, MACD is in green, RSI almost flat. Considering this, a buy at 2320 levels, 2420 levels. Beyond 2420 you can still expect 2440 2460 zone as the maximum resistance zone. Beyond that it will try to hit 25 and beyond levels. On the downside you can sell here at 2395, but then till 2380 you have to put a 5 cents trailing stop loss. Very strict, but cannot avoid, at least if not a 5 cent trailing stop loss, you can put the stop loss at cost and preserve your trades till the time it is 23 above 2380 should not be treated as bearish. I am reiterating it again. Hence take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 2395 and 2420 levels. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship badge and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day again.